I thought I didn't need them. Let me tell you what happened. Leo, did you study for your test? Later.
I'm on the final level. Leo, your test is tomorrow. I know. I'll study after this.
You said that yesterday, Leo.
This is different. I promise.
Hello? Yes, this is Leo's mother. What? He got an F? Leo's teacher called.
He failed the exam.
He lied to us.
Leo, sit down. We need to talk.
What's wrong?
An F. You said you studied.
The test was really hard.
We work hard for you every day. You lied to us. We are disappointed.
You only care about grades. You don't understand anything.
Leo, don't speak to us like that.
All you do is yell at me. I hate this. I don't want to be here.
Leo, come back here.
Leo, are you okay? Leave me alone, Anna. They don't love me. I'll show them. I have pocket money. I can do this. She'll be fine without me. I don't need them. Leo? Dad, Leo took his bag. He left.
What? Wake your mother, now.
One ticket to the city. Easy. One ticket to the city, please.
Here you go. Bus leaves in 5 minutes.
I don't need them. I'll be fine.
He's not in his room. He's gone.
Quick, get in the car.
Please find him, Dad.
We will. Stay home and lock the door.
Goodbye. I don't need anyone. Okay. It's bigger than I thought. I need to find food. Where do I go? No! 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 My wallet! I left it on the bus. No money. No food. No phone. Please come back, Leo. This was a mistake. No. Not rain. Not now. I'm so cold. I'm so hungry. I miss home.
Where are you, Leo?
She was worried. Even then.
Hey, are you okay? You look lost. I'm fine.
You don't look fine.
I lost my wallet. I have no money. Where do you live? The street is my home.
Here, take half.
I can't take your food.
It's old, but it fills the stomach.
Thank you. Really, thank you.
Here, it's dry. Sit down.
Do you sleep here every night? Sometimes here, sometimes other places. Don't you have a home? I don't remember my parents. The street is all I have ever known. I'm sorry. Don't be sorry. Tell me about you. I ran away. My parents were angry.
What did they do?
I failed my test. They yelled at me.
And then you left?
I said I hated them. I didn't mean it. But you still left. Look at that window. A family. They're having dinner.
I would give anything for that.
Me too.
You have a family, Leo. Don't throw it away.
They were so angry.
Angry is not the same as not loving you.
How do you know that? Because they are still looking for you. Parents who don't love you don't search.
He will come back. I know he will.
She kept my seat warm. She always does. Ben, I think I made a huge mistake. Yes, you did. But you can fix it. How? Go home.
Go Asjat, don't Dactymated.
They will be so angry.
They will be so relieved.
You really think so?
The sun is up. Time to go.
Go where? Home. I'll walk with you to the bus station.
You don't have to do that.
You shared your night with me. I'll share my morning with you. Ben, what will you do after? The same as always. Find breakfast.
You don't have anyone to help you? Not yet.
Come with me. What? What? My parents will want to thank you. They don't even know me. They will. Trust me. Okay. Mom, it's me. I'm okay. I'm coming home. I'm sorry.
He called. He's coming home.
He's coming home.
This is it. My house. It looks warm.
Leo. Anna, I'm so sorry. I kept your seat at the table. I know. I knew you would.
Oh, Leo, thank God you're safe. Mom, I'm sorry. I was so wrong.
We looked for you all night.
You never stopped?
We never stopped. We never will.
I'm so sorry, Dad. Who is this? Wisdom. This is Ben. He helped me.
He shared his food with me. He kept me safe. It was nothing.
Do you have a family, Ben?
No. I live on the street.
You can come inside. You can have Leo's extra blanket.
We want to help you, Ben.
You don't even know me.
Leo knows you. That's enough for us.
Thank you.
Leo, grades matter, but you matter more.
I understand now, Mom.
I thought you didn't love me.
We were angry. Angry is not the same.
I had everything. And I ran from it. No one has ever made breakfast for me before. That's what families do.
I thought I didn't need my family. I was so wrong. Family is everything. Don't throw it away. And please, do your homework.
Finally, some wisdom.
It only took one very cold night.
This. This is home.